Hello, tieflings. It's me again. Welcome back to Roll for Tea, a series inspired by Roll for Sandwich. Today we're using these dice. Aren't they pretty? All right, let's figure out what our potion word is. All right, 17, a serum, gunpowder green tea. All right, here's that. All right, let's figure out what type. All right, 9, ooh, chaos again. All right, but what kind of chaos? Our D12. All right, 8, regain 2d10 HP peppercorns. And here's our peppercorns. All right, my favorite part, side effects. We're gonna roll twice. Ooh, a natural 1, sneezing, and a natural 20, Curel. So we got calendula and mugwort. And here are those two. Here's what our blend looks like. And now we need some additions. All right, 7, lemon juice. All right, and now we pour the water. And now we must wait for it to steep. Okay, let's add our lemon juice. Oh, looks like we got some spillage on the side. I'll clean that up later. Stir. Best teaspoon. All right, time to try. I put too much lemon juice in it. I can get the green tea. It's got a little pepperiness at the end. And the mugwort, I don't really taste. Oh, and then the calendula. I think that's what got the pretty color. But, I mean, it's okay. It's warm. I would probably drink it if I was sick or something. So I give it like 2.5 out of 5. Yeah. So you have a serum of chaos, my favorite kind. And it helps you regain some health. And the side effects are sneezing, but then you have a cure-all. So you get double cured. So maybe it is good if you're sick. Oh. All right, that's your Roll for Tea. Hopefully Acadia will be back next week. She didn't feel good on Tuesday or Wednesday. So, yep,